Hello everyone, my name is Arfad Ansari and today I am going to present my topic Sources of Recruitment in Human Resource Management. Recruitment is very important function of HR because it helps organization to hire the right people for the right job. So let's understand this topic in detail. Introduction. Recruitment is the process of hiring employees in an organization. It helps company to find suitable candidates for different job roles. Without proper recruitment, a company cannot grow effectively. It also ensures that the right person is selected for the right job at the right time. So the recruitment plays a very important role in organizational success. Let's discuss about meaning. Recruitment means searching and attracting candidates for a job. It is the first step in the hiring process. The main aim of recruitment is to create a large pool of applicants. From this pool, the best and most suitable candidate is selected. A good recruitment process increases the chances of selecting the right employee. Let's discuss about sources of recruitment. There are mainly two sources of recruitment. First is internal sources and second is external sources. These sources help organization to find candidates in different ways. Depending on the company's needs, they can choose any source. Now let's understand both sources in detail. Internal sources. Internal sources of recruitment means hiring employees from within the organization. This includes promotion where an employee is moved to a higher position. It also includes transfer where an employee is shifted to another department or role. Another method is internal job posting where job vacancies are shared within the company. Internal recruitment is useful because employees are already familiar with the work environment. Let's discuss about the external sources. External sources of recruitment means hiring a candidate from the outside the organization. Companies use campus recruitment to hire fresh graduates. They also use advertisements in newspaper and online platforms. Online job portals like Naukri and LinkedIn are very popular today. External recruitment helps in bringing a new ideas and fresh talent into the organization. Difference. Internal recruitment is done within the organization while external recruitment is done from outside. Internal recruitment is faster because employees are already available. On the other hand, external recruitment takes more time but provides more option. Internal recruitment motivates the employee while external recruitment brings new talents and ideas. Now let's discuss about the conclusion. To conclude, recruitment is a very important function of human resource management. There are two main sources of recruitment, internal and external. Both sources have their own importance and are used according to the situation. Effective recruitment helps organizations to select the best candidates and achieve success. Thank you very much for watching me.